Yo! New year 2022, January 2nd, we are installing a exhaust on an ND Miata. It's a 2015. We're going to put a Goodwin Racing Super Q exhaust in place of this unit here. It's supposed to be lighter and just make it a little bit louder. Noises from the background. Anyways, so we're gonna, like I said, this is gonna be a really simple episode here. We're gonna take this off. There's for real just 2 bolts holding this together, and then you got 4 rubber grommets, which we already soaked with some WD-40 to get off easier. But then we're gonna install the Super Q exhaust here. It's very well built, and then there's a couple different sound designs for the baffles that are inside here, but then we'll kind of do some sound clips and probably just take them out and see what it sounds like to begin with, see if it's tolerable, so we can keep the missus happy. So it is a 14 millimeter nut on this side. We do have it, you know, penetrating oil on it as best as we can, so that in hopes that we don't break anything, but it definitely wouldn't be our first. Yeah. That should be fine, I guess we can. At least we don't live in a rusty area. Yeah, same thing. So I'm getting kind of pre-started so they're off on the nubs, so that, you know, I don't have to have, you know, this and balance this at the same time. So if you're doing it by yourself, you can do it by yourself. And just like that. When we took these out originally, it just thread the whole stud out of the hole on the exhaust. So we're going to put some Loctite on them so that these stay in hopefully in the future, and that they can be taken off with some heat if you really needed to later on. But again, we live in a climate where, you know, we don't really have any kind of bad stuff on the road other than rocks. So it's not going to rust more than likely. And we are going back in place already, for real. Like about a 15-minute job here. Nice having the lift. But what I can do is stick with this baby in place.
I guess I can help if you want.
Yeah, if you want to. Well, now that you push that here.
Oh, just shove this one. Go on this side first.
Well, that's fine.
Now tilt it back a little bit so I can get this front one. Or can you not? Oh,
I can. That's why I was leaving them out on the door.
Don't tell me my business. Get it?
Magic. Yeah, rub it down, rub it down. Yeah, we'll just pick it up.
Rub this off?
Yeah, rub that right off there. Well, what do you think?
Sounds good.
What do you think?
Sounds good. It's really quiet inside.
Definitely the idea was not to be, you know, disrespectful in the car like the other one is.
Definitely.
You actually have to have one that sounds really nice, and I did take both baffles out, so this is baffleless exhaust noise. Whereas I would say it's almost fairly close to what the other one was, maybe a little bit deeper tone. But again, way lack of interior noise. I think we got top noise over anything. But I think for the money, I think it's nice.
I think so too. It sounds really good.
Caleb's chasing us in the Honda. He didn't get to drive it yet after all the work he's done, so we're just gonna go for a little cruise here and enjoy the fruits of our labor. So anyways, that pretty well wraps it up. Again, this is the Gibson Quiet Series exhaust, and for real, it's way quieter than even the air noise from the convertible top, so.
How did I get stuck in the cold while he's getting to drive inside the heat? I wasn't ready!